Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to bring you out into the factory. This is a different way of production. Things look a little differently. People are wearing masks. We are having regular cleaning done. People are staying away from each other, doing some social distancing. Just wanted to give you just a quick snapshot of what it looks like in our factory as we reopen, start production, get people back online, get these units done and out of here, and new ones on the line. So hey, let us know what you think. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.